Hello everyone. Today we are solving a question about linear functions and tables of values. So let me first read the question carefully. For the given linear function f where fx equals to 39, which table gives the three values of x and their corresponding values of fx? Now let us understand what this means. We are given fx is equal to 39 and this is very important. There is no x in the expression. It simply says for every value of x the function equals 39. Now understand the type of function. If fx is equal to 39, then that means the output is always 39. Okay, so it does not matter what x is. If x is equal to 0, then fx is equal to 39. If x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 39. If x is equal to 2, fx will be 39. And if x is equal to 100, fx will be 39. Okay, so this is called a constant function. It is also a linear function with slope 0. That means the graph would be horizontal line at y is equal to 39. Now look at each options very carefully. So let us examine the tables one by one. Option A. The table shows x is equal to 0, fx is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2, fx is equal to 0. Here the function value is always 0, but our function says fx is equal to 99, so this does not match. So option A is incorrect. Okay, now come to option B. The table shows x is equal to 0, so fx is equal to 39. X is equal to 1, so fx is equal to 39. X is equal to 2, so fx is equal to 39. Now check carefully. No matter what x is, the value is 39. That matches perfectly with fx is equal to 39. So option B looks correct. But let us still check the other options to be sure. Okay. So let's come to option C now. The table shows x is equal to 0, then fx is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 39. If x is equal to 2, fx is equal to 78. Notice something very interesting. The output is increasing by 39 each time. That would represent the function fx is equal to 39x. But that is not what we are given. We are given fx is equal to 39. So there is no x being multiplied. So option C is also incorrect. Now come to option D. The table shows if x is equal to 0, then fx is equal to 39. If x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 0. If x is equal to 2, fx is minus 39. So here the function is decreasing by 39 each time. That would represent something like fx is equal to 39 minus 39x. It's something like that. Or a function with slope minus 39. But again, this is not what we are given. So option D is also incorrect. The only table where the output is always 39 regardless of x is option B. So option B is the correct answer. Now let us quickly summarize the key idea. When you see fx is equal to 39, that means the function is constant. It does not depend on x. The graph is a horizontal line. The slope is 0. So the table must show the same output for every x. If the output changes, then even slightly, it is not correct. Okay. So whenever you see a function with no x in it, it is a constant function. So do not overthink it. Just check, are all the outputs the same number? If yes, that is the correct table. So the final answer for this particular question will be option B. Okay. So this was a very logical question, very Nice question. Okay, so we have solved it very smoothly. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubts regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Shorov's classes. Bye bye and take care.